I used to run transportation, late nights, steady miles, picking up the fares, just living on a style. One day I met a gentleman, didn't know his name, just a ride to the store, never thought it'd change. That's where the story twisted, that's where trouble grew. They saw him as an outlaw, said I must be one too. Branded me accomplice, said I played a role, but I didn't know a thing, just a driver on the road. They judged me by my armor, by the way I looked, pulled me from my vehicle, said I was hooked. I stayed calm, I complied, told them I was clean, but they never heard a word of what I really mean. Now I'm just a man waiting on my day in court. 5 years of delay feels like a cruel report. Got a right to a speedy trial, that's written plain, but all I get is silence and another chain. I don't break the law, I study what it says. Born with these rights, not borrowed, not led. Didn't they know I stand on it, live it every day? The Constitution ain't something you can just take away. My partner's name is Freedom, haven't seen her in a while. She's stuck behind the paperwork, the waiting and the files. It's freedom land I'm reaching for, trying to take it back. Just a man and his word, staying on the track. I don't sing this fancy, I just say it straight. Let the rhythm walk beside me while I illustrate. Line by line, truth by truth, pencil tells the same. I'm just a man who loves his freedom and refuses to forget her name.